day to you all my dear viewers. As always, my name is Rekia Hassan Bako, a staff from Diabetic HERBAL Medical Center. As we all know, Diabetic HERBAL Medical Center is a center that boasts of experts in the field of phytotherapy. We manufacture our medicines from natural organic herbs which have been tested, trusted, approved, and licensed by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC. Well, last time I did mention of different types of diseases which we give medicine for. Due to time management, I couldn't mention all, but I did mention few. And today I'm going to pick one of those and talk about it. And that disease is none other than toilet infection. Yes, toilet infection. Toilet infection is a disease that has troubled many households, and be it girl or boy, man, woman, old or young, they do suffer from this toilet infection. What are the causes of toilet infection? First of all, the causes of toilet infection could be by inheritance. Yes, inheritance. When a mother, a expectant mother, is suffering from severe toilet infection, she gives birth, there's the possibility that that child could be suffering from toilet infection too. Also, there is dirty toilet. When our toilets are dirty, there's every possibility for us to get toilet infection. So we should endeavor to wash our toilets, even if not twice a day, at least once in a day. And whenever we are using public toilet, we just have to be very, very cautious when using public toilet. When you go into the toilet, maybe it's somehow not okay, get water if there is close by, flush it, then you use it. Also, there is a wrong way of cleaning ourselves up after defecating. Whenever we finish defecating, we want to clean ourselves up. First of all, you clean from the front, from your private part, then your anus. You don't clean your anus, then your private part. No, it's from the front to the back. That is the right way to avoid toilet infection. Also, there is the use of perfume around the private area. For some unknown reasons, some people tend to spray perfume on their private part, which is very, very not okay. You don't do that. To avoid infection, please, it's a very delicate place. You don't spray perf around your private area, your private part. Also, there is the use of wet innerwears. Whenever your innerwears, be it pants or boxers, are wet, allow them to dry up. Allow them to dry, clean. It should be clean. Wash it very well. Allow it to dry, then you use. Whenever it's wet, please do not use it. It leads to toilet infection. Also, there is our partners or spouses. Yes, you can get infected by your partner or your spouse. When you, as a partner, when you are having unprotected sex and one of the party is suffering from toilet infection, the other person might get affected too. As a spouse, same thing happen. Whenever maybe the wife is suffering from toilet infection and she has sexual intercourse with her husband, he's at every risk to contact toilet infection too. So, what are those signs and symptoms of toilet infection? First of all, we have rashes, there is itching, there is blisters, there is burning sensation, there is redness, there is severe stomach ache, there is cramp, there is amenorrhea, which is irregular menstruation, there is dryness of the vagina, there is also the smelly discharge coming out of the vagina, and there is pain during sex. How do we get to detect toilet infection? First of all, let's start with babies. In babies, whenever you're about to clean them up, you notice that there is this white discharge coming out of their private part. There and then you know that this baby is having toilet infection. In teenagers, whenever she's about to start menstruating, she experiences like severe stomach ache, cramp, nausea. She starts feeling feverish and so on. There and then you know she's suffering from toilet infection. Also in women, they also go through severe stomach ache, cramp, discomfort during sex. Yes, they feel pain when having sex. Why? Because their vagina is dry. There is this foul smell, odor coming out of their vagina due to the smelly discharge. Also, whenever she wants to urinate, she finds it very difficult and painful. In men, they go through what we call erectile dysfunction. Their sperm becomes very weak and watery, and whenever they have sex, instead of the sperm going into the woman, it bounces back. They also experience itching, rashes, and so on. And in general, it affects the teeth, the eyes, the ears, lungs, womb, in short, the internal and external organs. And in women, it goes as far as affecting her physically. You see a woman that is kind of like chubby, she's fat, but due to the severeness of this toilet infection, she becomes thinner and thinner and thinner as days goes by. If she's fair, she due to the severeness, she starts to get darker and darker. So, like I said, this disease that is also persistent, which becomes worse as time goes on, when you don't use the right medication, it affects you lots more than what I've listed, because you won't be able to give birth. That's one of the worst things. Giving birth will become very, very difficult, among other things. So we at Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, we are here to inform you that we have medicine which is very, very effective and affordable, and we give this medicine with 100% guarantee to cure these diseases. And for more information, you can contact us on the following numbers: 070-300-99277 or 080-6367-6662. Or you can come to our head office, which is at number C21 SAFIYA House, ZARIA Road, opposite Garden Dengue, and close to this popular supermarket called JIFFATU. Thank you all for listening.